memory. Like, good idea. Yay.
So what's inside, Alyssa?
Yeah, I got my card. I'm just showing you.
Yeah?
Wow,
That's great.
Thank you, guys.
So what's your first present, Alyssa?
Come on.
I'm not very good at wrapping, so
It's okay. I'm not good at wrapping either.
Well, I just wrapped a
yes.
present too.
Yes, thank you.
What's that?
A tablet.
Cool.
Thank
Great.
you.
What else is there?
the card because it's from Moses.
Oh, my tablet case. Thank you.
What color?
It's America one.
Oh, that's the one you
It's
want?
like Captain
Yeah,
America.
Captain America.
I think you dropped something like a card or something.
I know.
That's what I saw. No, I mean like it was a little card inside that dropped inside the bag.
Oh, okay.
I think, I don't know.
Oh, look. I didn't check.
We wish Jason was here.
Nope. Yeah, yeah, and then my last one.
Last
Thank you
one?
guys. Yes, thank you.
What's that?
Damn.
A Kirby game.
For me, Returning Dreamland Villa, it was from the childhood, but they updated it. We had it as a kid, but they brought it back because we lost it on the Wii. So finally, they brought it back.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, I've been waiting to play it for a while. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well done, Alyssa.
I'm going to put it in my room, and then I can...
Okay, and then you guys are all gonna go with Chris, and I'm gonna take Nana.
Okay.
Come back.